Hey guys! So today I'm going to be making a ring and I thought you might want to join me. We generally like to paint our channels, so I've already done so with some black nail polish just to kind of give us a nice clean base. It helps pump up the contrast a little bit depending on what color you use, or it can help the saturation of the colors. Today we're going to be doing a red pipestone, which I don't know if we've done on the channel before, but it's one of the manufactured stones. So my tools that I've got going on today, so I've got my ring core. It's just a stainless steel ring core. It's an 8mm channel. This is a small one. It's a size 6. We've got our ring station. We've got our stone. We've got our really cool looking glasses, which are essential for being able to see all those little spots. We've got our flashlight, our UV resin, and then I like to use a pick. You can use like the brush, you can use tweezers, you can use whatever strikes your fancy, but this is what I've liked using recently. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Now I'm just gonna start with a little dollop of some of the UV resin. I like to start with just a tiny bit because I don't like to waste material. And then I just put a little bit of our stone out there. Make sure you wait for your nail polish to completely dry before you start doing any of the UV on there for sure. And then I like to just take a nice big glop of your UV resin, lay it into the channel a little bit and get a little space that you're going for. And then while you still have the UV resin on the pick, I like to pick some of that up. My main focus is to pack the channel so that it looks nice and full and you get all of that cool rock texture. Now I'm turning this quite a bit because I like to make sure that I can see over the edge and that the stone is not going over the lip of the channel. So while the UV resin is still nice and liquidy, I like to move the stones around to just make sure I'm getting good coverage. And then when I'm happy with it, I'm just gonna do a little hit with the flashlight here. Filled the whole channel, do a nice layer of resin over the top, kind of dome it over a little bit so that when we're polishing it on the lathe, we just polish that nice resin. Also want to make sure that you don't leave a bunch of bubbles. Going to take the whole ring on the ring mandrel outside and pop it in the sun for a little while, and then after that we'll pop it on the lathe and polish it up.